Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add the photos to your Aura frame in 2026. So first of all, you need to open your Aura application on your phone. Afterwards, you need to tap on the option of frame first. That will be available on the home screen. After doing so, you are going to see this type of Aura frame in front of you. By default, you will be on the activity section, but you just have to click on the option of photos. Now, after doing this, you just have to click on the option of add photos option in the bottom. Now, your gallery will be opened in front of you just like so. So you just have to select the photos from your gallery. You can select as many photos as you want, as it can be seen over here. So in the bottom, it is going to show you the photos where these are going to be adding and the number of selections that are made. So after selecting your photo, you just have to basically click on the next option on the top right hand corner of the screen, and then the photos will sync and appear on your Aura frame within just a few seconds. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.